Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial we illustrate how to use the eyedrop tool. As you can see, this is the eyedropper tool. So if you want to use the eyedropper tool, for instance, if you have a diagram, let's draw a circle, and then you now choose red fill with it or yellow, as the case may be. So now once you're done with that, and then you probably have a second object like your square, and then there is no fill. So if you want to make use of, let's say if you want to transfer that same color to this point without you now selecting, you now head straight, you highlight it, and you now click on eyedropper tool, and you now click on it. So this is how to use eyedropper tool in Adobe Illustrator. So if this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.